Cunning Crocodile. Mehwishashraf. Once upon a time, there was a river in a dense forest of Siberia, where a cunning crocodile lived. Across the river, there were many animals that lived happily, but whenever they come to drink water from the river, he always hurt them, even if he was full or without any reason. All the animals were afraid of the cunning crocodile, but there was only one river in the dense forest to drink water, so there is no way to escape. Animals decided to complain to the king of the jungle. They went to the king and told all about the problem. King asked about the witnesses. Unfortunately, because of the fear of crocodile, no one was ready to be a witness. King said he cannot do anything without any witness. One betrayal fox told all the story to the cunning crocodile. Suddenly, the incidents of hunting and herding were raised. All the animals were very disappointed and disturbed. One day, a son came from another town. He told that there was another river nearby the forest next to the jungle. All the coward animals decided to go there to drink water. The problem was to cross the river because in the middle of the river there was a cunning crocodile. Son told them about the meadow side of the river. Whenever they tried to cross the river either from the side of meadows, one of the animals got hurt. One of the goats was feeling very bad. She got her courage and went to the king and told all about the cunning crocodile, and also told him that she is ready to testify. When all the other animals heard that, they also got their courage and were ready to be a witness. When the fox saw all this unity, she thought it is better to be quiet. King called the crocodile and asked all about the charges. The cunningest crocodile was all alone, there was nothing to say. All the charges were borne out. The crocodile was found guilty and the king decided to exile him. All the animals were happy and lived happily thereafter. Moral: God helps those who help themselves.